If your Shopify store features the classic 3-page checkout, in this video I will show you how you can enable the latest 1-page checkout. Generally, the process is as follows. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin account, click on Settings, and then locate Checkout. Then at the very top, right under the Configurations, click on the Customize, and then on the left under the Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom. Currently on my end, it shows us 3-page checkout, so let's go ahead and switch to 1-page checkout. Now let's save changes. Now let me just go ahead and quickly open the checkout in another tab. And this is what the 1-page checkout looks like. It has the contact, shipping, payment, and all other information on one page, whereas the 3-page checkout is what it looks like right here. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found this tip helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.